Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to use YouTube incognito mode on your PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. To use YouTube incognito mode, you just click here. You can't see any incognito mode option, but in mobile phone there is a option in here on the YouTube app itself, but in PC there is no option on YouTube for an incognito mode. So you just go to the Chrome and click on the three dots and use incognito mode, and now click the YouTube. You can see the Google account will not be signed in, so you can use the YouTube incognito mode by using this method. You just want to use the incognito mode on your Google Chrome, and you just watch any videos or search any videos and it will not be recorded. So because in mobile phone we are using an app, it's a private app, but in PC you are using a YouTube in an Edge or Google Chrome, so you can't see that option. You just want to use if you are using Microsoft Edge, you use the incognito mode on Microsoft Edge. If you are using a Google Chrome, you just want to use the browser incognito mode to use the YouTube incognito mode on your PC. So it's clear, you can easily turn on the incognito mode by using this. I'm just watching a Google video, so it will not be recorded because I didn't sign in and it's on the incognito mode. I just closed here. You can see this is a normal YouTube. So by using this method, you can easily watch incognito mode. Friends, if you find this video useful, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. And if you want more content about YouTube tips, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with valuable content. This is Silak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.